Hey guys, how are you doing? Happy fall. I started out my day here with some sweet cinnamon spice tea. So I showed my little routine on making that. I have it here in my Ozark Trail mug. Don't know how many of you have tried this, but this is an awesome mug. It keeps everything hot or cold. You can pick these up from Walmart for about $9 compared to a Yeti is crazy price. So just enjoying this and kind of sipping on this. And I wanted to show you in conjunction with fall. I received my Erin Condren fall surprise box in the mail a couple days ago, and I've been waiting to open it to share it with you. It comes in this really great box, very pretty burgundy and white with that pattern on there. I've not opened it yet, so all of this is going to be my first time seeing it as well. So let's get into it. So the first thing, start each day with a grateful heart is what it says inside the box. So that's really pretty inside too. And then it just comes with like this little sheet here. I don't know if you can see that, but then it has like a description of everything that comes with it. Let me just get this stuff out of the way here so I can get the tissue out. The tissue is a pretty burgundy color too, just like the box. And everything comes bubble wrapped around it, so that's really nice. Everything stays nice when it gets to you. So I'm just going to pull things out here in the order that it came with. The first one is these stickers. There we go, we can see those. They're kind of like a puffy sticker. They're all fall themed. Browns and turquoise, really pretty. And then there's also these other stickers that came with it. That's kind of like the washi, and then some bigger square stickers and little flags that you can put on stuff. So those are really pretty as well. They go with the puffy stickers really well. The next thing that I'm seeing here is some actual washi, it looks like. It's like this turquoise scalloped metallic washi. So that's really pretty too. I love these colors. These are like my favorite colors, is that turquoise color. The next thing here is a mechanical pencil, it looks like, in turquoise. It is so pretty. I'm not one, I haven't used like a lot of pencils in my planner, but it would be good, I guess, to use this, and then if something changes, you can just erase it out of there, or, you know, reprint it in ink once it's set. But yeah, that's what it looks like out of the package. It's got a really nice grippy on it and like a little press button thing here to move the lead forward, and an eraser on the end underneath this little metal cap. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Now this next thing I'm really excited about that I'm seeing, I almost bought this exact same thing in black, and I've been holding off getting it because I wasn't sure if I really needed it, but I'm so excited that it came, and it's in this special color. It's this Erin Condren pouch. Look at how pretty that burgundy color is, and it has the little design on there that Erin Condren does. And then the detail is all gold. I'll take this out of the package here so you guys can see it out of the package as well. Ooh, and it's really soft and supple, and yeah, it's got the little Erin Condren in gold, and the zipper is in gold there. Oh, and the inside is even better. It has like that peacock design that some of the stickers came in. Really great. So the little tag that comes with it, small luxe clutch, 9.5 by 3 or 6.375 is the little tag that comes with that there. So I am super excited to put my stuff in there. They're actually bigger than what I thought, and so it'll fit a lot of great pens. I use stencils in mine somewhat, so that'll be really great with it. I'm excited to use that. So the next thing here, it looks like, is little sticky notes maybe. I'll take them out of the package here before I show you. It's really cute, like the flower design. And then it has like the little polka dots on there. How cute is that to use in the planner? Very cute. I love that. The next things here look like little note cards that came with the set. Again, with that same theme of the peacocks, and then the other one is like a fall color. It's got the kind of a rose gold, I would say, designs on it. So yeah, very, very cute. I can't wait to send those to someone. I just love those. Okay, and it looks like this is the last thing that's in the box, and I'm super excited about this. It came with new covers, so a fall cover design. And I'll take these out of the plastic as well here. Maybe get some of the glare off of there. All right, so it comes with front and back cover. Still a little bit of glare, and it's that plaid design. And this is nice because it's not just fall. I can use this in the fall and through the winter. And then the back cover even comes just like the regular covers that come, where it has the little note section you can use the wet erase markers with, and then the back is just the same as the front. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So I am super excited for this fall box. This was a great surprise. I had no idea what would come in this. This was my first box that I've ordered from her. I'm fairly new to Erin Condren. I'm just in my second month of using the Life Planner, and I've gotten several of her things, and when I saw that there was such thing as a surprise box and it happened to come out right after I bought mine, I thought, oh well, this would be fun. I love surprise boxes, and this would be a great way to get some more of her products and try them out and see what I think of them. So I am super happy with this. This will give me a lot of new things to decorate with for the fall and a nice fall cover to put on. So if you liked watching my unboxing of this, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. I'll be doing some more lifestyle type vlogs for you guys, trying to do maybe once a week, something different, new. I can show you some more things in my Erin Condren as well, and what I'm doing with that and how I work with my planner. And anyway, it was good to chat with you today, and I'm going to probably play with my planner and enjoy this great fall day that we're having. It is just beautiful out. Love wearing the long sleeves in the fall. So again, it was good talking to you, and we'll see you next time.